Hi, it's Manuela from MyFit Life.
And Amanda from Dream Divas.
We are here today to inform you about our last workshop we had. It was our second IM workshop. We had a great bunch of people joining us that night, and we learned a lot of
Valuable lessons,
valuable
basically.
lessons on
So people came in, and due to busy days and different things happening in people's lives, it just enabled us to work with what we had on the table. We allowed people the space to open up about their days, and then the content that we prepared was more valuable for them as a result of that. So I was talking about the topic of being a dream builder. I am a dream builder, and what it means to be a dream builder. So it's all about getting rid of all those circumstances that surround you and believing that it is an inside out world as opposed to an outside in world. So I was teaching the group that we had on Friday evening about how they need to be listening to themselves, how they need to be creating a vision in all areas of their lives. So their personal life, their work life, their relationships, their finances, their health, and just looking and imagining, allowing themselves to imagine what it would be like to actually be living that dream life. And so once we've created that vision, it's about knowing that that can happen. Now, knowing includes belief. And belief is a huge part, and it's a relearning basically of how the mass of people that we associate with live their lives not in this way. And so it's relearning that once you have this vision, that the belief that it can happen is there no matter what. And it's the steps that you can take to step forward into that vision so that it does become your reality. Your turn, Manuela.
Yes, and after that we discussed our joy list. How do we know what to put on that joy list? How do we know what we like? Often we go through life, we don't even know what makes us happy and smile. Anything that satisfies you needs to go on that joy list, from going barefoot on the beach to going for dinner with a nice friend, but only if you walk away and feel good about it. Exercise is definitely on the joy list for a lot of people. Time out, trying to find and feel yourself. From that, we went into self-care. That is important to plan ahead, how to take some time out. Some people take time out to exercise, and you need to plan ahead and stick to it, because often other things come in and you are not going to do it. And 20 minutes before going to bed, 20 minutes in the morning, it's important to take time out, write things down, just take that time out just for yourself, and that gives you enough energy to get on through the week, through the day, through life, and just finding out who you really are. So yeah, that was what we discussed the last workshop, and it was an awesome night. We're looking forward to our next workshop, which is on the 10th of August at 7:30 at the same place again.
And we'll be talking about I am a magnificent manifester. So while that topic can stand alone, it will flow on slightly from the topic last week. So it will be fantastic to have some new people join our group, and we look forward to seeing you then.